महाड पूल उदकान व्हांवून वचपाची घडणूक मंगळार जाली। ह्या फाटभुंयेर गोंयच्या संदर्भात जेन्ना मुखेलमंत्र्याक प्रश्न विचारले तेन्ना गोंयच्या पुलांची तपासणी दर वर्सा भौशीक बांदकाम खातें करता, तशेंच पोरण्या इमारतीची तपासणी करप जाता अशी माहिती मुखेलमंत्र्यान दिल्या। तशेंच भौशीक बांदकाम मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकर आनी उपमुख्यमंत्री फ्रांसिस डिसुजा हांणी ह्या संदर्भात गोंयच्या पुलांची तपासणी वर्सान तशेंच दर 6 म्हयन्यांनी जाता अशी माहिती दिल्या। आयटेक्स गोवा खातीर परवरीच्यान संजय मुनोली।
The incident was very serious and that should not have happened. We need to take care of such incidences. But I think that bridge was too weak. Even it did not have the supports on the either side.
So in Goa, of all Goa, old buildings and Portuguese era buildings and bridges, in view of this accident, should an audit be conducted?
Maybe Goa or anywhere, old buildings need to be audited, but in our state also. But compared to, I have seen certain areas of Mumbai where buildings are in most deteriorated conditions. But we also need to be, in Goa, we also need to be careful because even many of the government buildings, immediately after liberation, they were constructed. And it is almost 50 years, 40, 45, 50 years past. And if proper maintenance is not taken care of, then its life can deteriorate also. We need to be careful.
It's very important we have to have alternate access. आम्ही तिसरी ब्रिज बांधताना लोक थोडं करणे but it is good for the state. If anything happens to one bridge, you see what will be the chaos. आता पै 2 bridges असून इतके त्रास जातात. This third bridge is supposed to take 50% of the traffic. So we must be ready with alternate system. म्हणजे हे बंद झालेलं हे बंद झालेलं हे तयार करून धरचे लागते ना आता. For some reason we are very slow on these things, infrastructure. And now our needs are multiplying like anything. You see, this audit has to take place of old bridges, old buildings.
As per the rules, every bridge is to be tested every year by closing the vehicle, which is going on every time in Goa. Every 6 months, at least 2 times we close Zuari Bridge. Every 6 months, at least 2 times we close Borim Bridge. We close also Banastari Bridge. This frequency is needed to check all the bridges.
So all Portuguese era bridges in Goa are fit for...
As on today, we have no problems of it. They are smaller bridges. Whatever remained during Portuguese regime, they are smaller bridges. The new bridges which we constructed is Mandavi, Zuari and Borim. They are till today, they are very safe.
But they are being checked every 6 months.
Of course, even nalas, small nala bridges are to be checked. And what we do it always.
सर ये महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट नेग्लिजेंस किया था ऐसा लग रहा है?
नहीं, ये नेग्लिजेंस महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट का नहीं हो सकता है, डिपार्टमेंट का हो सकता है।